Gerber Asada. How come it's not telling me the steel here? Okay. 7CR 17 MOV. So this, I held off on getting this one because it reminds me so much of the flat iron, with some key differences, which is why I ended up picking it up. It's got a ball bearing system in the pivot and a flipper. So that's interesting because they call this a pinch plate. So I guess that makes sense. An over travel for the frame lock. I like the clip. It's longer than the Gerber or the flat iron one, centered. And the packaging said this is available in my card in D2, which I did not see. Flips out relatively well. I love that finger choil. So it's like the flat iron, just in a smaller package. No lanyard hole. It looks like it is tip up, right hand carry only. You cannot change it to left or tip down. Good lock up on the liner. I mean, yeah, it's good. So this is the Gerber Asada. Every time I see the Asada, I'm thinking carne asada.